Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare pav. Ingredients: for yeast preparation, you'll require 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of water. Make sure the mixture is lukewarm or else the yeast might die if it's too hot. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar is used to activate the yeast. 2 teaspoons of yeast. Mix it well and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes in a warm place. Until the yeast is activated, we'll keep our maida mixture ready. For 2 cups of maida, we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Give it a nice stir. Let's check if our yeast is activated. Our yeast looks nice foamy. It means it has been activated. So let's continue with the rest of the process. I've taken yeast into a bowl. Now I'm adding the maida mixture into it. Give it a stir. We'll add milk part by part to make a proper dough. You can either use milk or water, anything is fine. Once the dough is roughly ready, we'll add butter to it and knead it for around 10 minutes. After kneading the dough, it will look somewhat like this. We'll tuck the dough in. We'll place this dough into a greased vessel. I have greased this vessel with butter. Coat the top of the dough also with butter or else it might get dried. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is how the dough will look. It would have doubled in size. Looks nice, fluffy. Let's give a punch. It's well fermented. Dust some maida on the mixing bowl. Take your fluffed dough and knead it for around 5 minutes. This will help in removing the air bubbles trapped inside it. Add some butter and knead it for around 5 minutes. Make the dough into ball size and place it on the baking tray beside each other. Leave enough space so that it can raise. Leave it for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is how the dough will look. Coat it with milk. This will help in getting a golden brown color. Preheat the oven for 400°F and keep it for around 10 to 15 minutes. Keep checking if it's changed to golden brown color. After 10 to 15 minutes in oven, this is how it will look. Nice golden brown, soft pav. Apply butter on it immediately and cover with a damp cloth. This will help in keeping the pav soft for a long time. Try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.